Introducing the all-new 2023 Skoda Enyaq 60 IV65 Door Auto in sleek grey exterior colour. This electric vehicle is not only environmentally friendly, but also equipped with a plethora of comfort, safety, and styling features that will elevate your driving experience. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity to collision avoidance braking, this Skoda Enyaq is packed with all the modern technology and safety features you could ask for. Luxury trim, ambient lighting, and a voice control system add an extra touch of sophistication to the interior, while highlights like roof rails and a spoiler give this vehicle a stylish edge. But that's not all. When you purchase the Skoda Enyaq, you can rest assured knowing that it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. So why wait? Take advantage of all the incredible features this vehicle has to offer and drive away in style today. To learn more about the 2023 Skoda Enyaq 60 IV65 Door Auto, visit our website at spiritskoda.ie or give us a call to schedule a test drive. Experience the future of driving with a vehicle that combines the latest technology with unparalleled safety and style. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today.